The Symphony of Silence. In the heart of a bustling city, where the cacophony of honking cars and chattering crowds often drowned out the nuances of life, lived Clara, a reclusive composer. She found solace not in the noise, but in the profound silence that lay beneath it. Clara believed that true music was born from the quiet moments, the unspoken emotions that resonated within one's soul. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, she would retreat to her small attic studio. Surrounded by an array of instruments, each carrying its own story, Clara would close her eyes and listen. She imagined the melodies that danced in the stillness, weaving intricate tapestries of sound. The gentle rustle of leaves, the distant murmur of the river, and even the soft sighs of the night air became her symphonic inspiration. One fateful night, Clara decided to share her unique perspective with the world. She organized a concert titled Whispers of the Night in the local amphitheater. As the audience gathered, curiosity mingled with skepticism. How could silence produce music? As Clara took the stage, she began with a single note, allowing it to resonate in the air. Slowly, she layered sounds, the soft tapping of her foot, the whisper of her breath, and the subtle creaks of the wooden floor. To the audience's astonishment, these sounds melded into a hauntingly beautiful symphony. By the concert's end, the crowd was captivated. They realized that music was not merely about notes and rhythms, but about the emotions and stories that silence could evoke. Clara had opened their ears to a world they had never known, reminding them that sometimes the most profound music is found in the spaces between the sounds.